I love this question because it brings me back to the old days, and I have a lot of thoughts on this. My focus is post-construction, and I want to build my name and reputation with local contractors. Shall I visit a construction site asking the project manager if he's happy with the current company, or cold call builders' offices to book more post-construction contracts on my own? Two things. Number one, yes, you should go to builders' offices and get on their vendor lists. And that's something that I would say you do second, not first. The first thing that you can do, which is, it's not hard to see what buildings in your area are under construction. And depending on where you are, the state bird might be a crane. Meaning that they're building everywhere. I remember when that was the case in Las Vegas. Every time you would go there was cranes everywhere. Construction was hot and everybody was there. Now it seems like it's Arizona. Northern Phoenix is just going crazy with construction. But what I would do is I would go down to Granger or one of these other sites that you can get hard hats. Go buy yourself a hard hat, get yourself a safety vest, show up at the facility. You should have a hard hat on, your vest on, closed-toed shoes, steel-toed if you think it's necessary, depending on the site. Have a card, and most importantly, your courage. Because when you go onto a job site, you need to be there with your notepad, you have your hard hat on, you have your vest on. You're going to look for a construction trailer, and you're going to walk on that site like you own it. And if you don't, you're going to end up getting kicked off really, really fast. And I can promise you, if you show up at a construction site and you are just a typical, salesperson, and you have, pretty high-heeled shoes on, or some really nice loafers that are shiny, you just had polished, the day before, you're not going to get taken seriously. So, show up. Act the part. Look for the construction trailer, go there, hand them your card, tell them that you're there to do, to see if they have somebody for final cleaning. I wouldn't recommend you go in with rough cleanup. Rough cleanup is something that most construction companies are getting general labor to do. But when it comes to final and punch cleaning, you definitely are going to be able to help them out, and I would highly recommend that. And that's what I would do. Hard hat, vest, card, be brave, go to the construction or builder's offices as well, just to get your vendor package put together. And I would do it in that order. I'd go to the site, then go to the builder's office. All right. So next question.